57 Chevrolet, baby, let you have your way. Sandra D, go steady. Boy, give me the diamond ring, go steady. Make it have a family, go steady.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
I have an announcement to make. Well, since you're not here tomorrow, there's a special birthday. Are you doing
Morning vlog. It is January 19th, my birthday. I'm 19 today, and I was supposed to have a competition today, but they canceled it because we're expecting a blizzard. So that's fun. Our first winter competition was supposed to be today, but there's supposed to be a blizzard, so it got canceled even though it's only raining right now. But I don't know. So I'm probably gonna go into work for a little bit just because I was scheduled before I had the competition, so I was like, no, I'll just do it. But yeah, so yesterday I got my nose pierced. I'll insert video here.
Yeah, really? You got this! And already done. There you go. Now when you open your eyes, you can cry like I did. I told you!
But yeah, it wasn't painful. It was actually like, I was so scared, but it wasn't that bad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Just pretend you're blowing out candles.
So welcome back. It's like snowing really bad. It's starting. This is all ice. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm at work, and there's this field by my work. So we just got like a baby blizzard, and there's a field over here that has like, it's a sheet of ice. Oh, that's deep. The snow over here is really deep. It's right here. I'm going to attempt to walk on it. Oh my gosh, this is ice. So like, I'm not even, hold on. My feet aren't going through, but you can see if I step right here, my feet go through. And once I get onto here, my feet don't go through. Oh my gosh, this is ice. Holy crap, this is ice. Watch me fall. In this next clip, I might fall. Oh my gosh, this is ice. I'm scared. It's like, oh my gosh, this is giving me anxiety. I can't. Wait, I'm gonna run and slide. Okay, in this next clip, I might fall. Let's run and I'm gonna slide. Oh my gosh, I'm such a child. I'm going to literally break my neck. Oh my gosh, here it goes. Holy shit. I'm literally in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna record this way. I'm walking. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Fun. So I can do pirouettes. In seconds. With the ice everywhere. Oh my gosh.